Hello kids, welcome to littleyTV. So kids, our today's topic is multiplication table and we will learn table of 7. So let's start. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. So kids, it's time to repeat it one more time. 7 1 is 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. 7 10s are 70. So kids, thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow with table of 8 video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Little TV. Watch, play, learn.